Are you looking for a soccer drill that not only sharpens passing and movement, but also teaches your players their real game positioning in a 9v9 or 4-3-3 formation? If your team loses shape when building out of the back, this rondo will change the way they play. Before we get into the setup, make sure you hit subscribe so you don't miss the next drill in this series. This rondo, it's simple to set up, game-related, and it gets your players thinking like they're in a match. Purpose. This rondo teaches players how to keep their shape, build from the back, and understand positional play within a 9v9 system or a 4-3-3 formation. It helps players learn when to hold their position, how to connect through the midfield, and how to progress the ball into the attacking third. Now, this is a setup for a 9v6 rondo, but don't worry if you don't always have enough players. Keep watching. I'll show you how to adjust this drill with fewer defenders so you can still make it work in any session. Setup. Build a grid divided into 3 zones. 2 big outside zones, 20 by 15 steps each. 1 small middle zone, 5 steps wide. Attacking team, 9 players, is organized to mirror the formation. Defensive zone, 2 center backs plus right back plus left back. Middle zone, 2 central midfielders. Attacking zone, right winger, left winger, center forward. Defending team, 6 players, is spread across the zones. Quick reminder, if you're finding value, hit the like button so more coaches can find this drill. Adjustment for smaller groups. If you don't have 6 defenders, no problem. You can use 2 defenders, 1 in each outside zone. Use 3 defenders, with 2 on one side and 1 on the other. Or scale up/down, depending on your roster. The rondo works with fewer defenders. The shape stays the same. How it works. The ball starts with the defenders at the back. The attacking team circulates the ball, looking to connect from defenders' midfield attackers. The defending team presses to win the ball. If they win it, they can keep possession or connect 3 passes for a point. Coaching points. Technical. Pass with pace and accuracy to the correct foot. First touch must prepare the next action. Scan before receiving. Know your options. Tactical. Stay disciplined in your zone. Don't chase the ball. Build just like in a real game. Backline midfield attack. Use the full width. Outside backs and wingers must stretch the shape. Central mids are the link, always available to both sides. Physical. High-intensity pressing when defending. Quick transitions when switching sides. Stay light on your feet, ready to adjust. Psychological. Communicate. Call for the ball. Guide your teammates. Patience. Don't force risky passes. Recycle if needed. Confidence. Stay calm under pressure. Progressions. Limit touches, 2 touch, or 1 touch in certain zones. Directional play. Build from the back and finish with a pass into the striker. Add a neutral player in the middle to overload the attack and encourage combinations. Key messages for players. Your position creates passing options. Hold it with discipline. Think like you're in a match. Play out, connect through midfield, attack with width. If the shape is right, the ball will move easily. If you enjoyed this session, support the channel by liking and subscribing. Drop your questions or adjustments in the comments. I read every one of them, and I'll use your feedback for future videos.